Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm Ajay, and if you're wondering how businesses thrive online or how brands reach you on your phone or simply what digital marketing is, then you're in the perfect place. In today's world, our lives are always online, and that's exactly where business is reaching us. So what is digital marketing? Simply put, it's any marketing effort that uses an electronic device or the internet. It's about leveraging the digital platforms or channels to promote their product, brand awareness, or connect with you for the current or the future customer. It's about meeting you where you spend most of your time online. Okay, now digital marketing is a huge field, so let's break down its core components. First comes SEO, search engine optimization. This is all about getting your website show up higher on Google for free. Think about it. How many times when you search for something, you go past the first page? Exactly. So SEO makes sure that you are found online pretty easily. Then comes performance marketing. This focuses on achieving a measurable return of investment, which could be clicks, sales, lead submission, or even app downloads, where the advertiser pays only when the measurable action is completed. Next is content marketing. This is all about creating valuable and relevant content like blog posts, videos, or infographics to attract and educate an audience. Here it's all about building trust and not just selling. Next is social media marketing. Pretty self-explanatory, using platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and X to engage with you, build community, and yes, run super targeted ads. Next is email marketing, still one of the most powerful tools. Send you newsletters, updates, and yes, personalized text right in your inbox. Next is affiliate marketing. It's partnering with others to promote your product and earn a small commission. It's a win-win. Next is web analytics. It's like a secret sauce. Tools like Google Analytics track everything, who's visiting, what they're doing, and what's working. This helps marketers to improve constantly. So those are the core components of digital marketing. But why has digital marketing exploded? It's simply better than traditional marketing in a lot of areas. So let's compare digital marketing and traditional marketing. When you look at reach, digital marketing has a global reach, whereas traditional is pretty local. And when it comes to cost, digital marketing is very cost efficient, especially for small businesses. And targeting, digital marketing lets you pinpoint exactly who wants to reach down to the interest and behaviors. Whereas traditional marketing is like casting a wide net. And measurability, which is huge. With digital marketing, we know exactly what's working down to the penny. And traditional, much hard to track. And when it comes to flexibility, campaigns can be changed instantly based on performance in digital marketing, whereas traditional marketing takes a lot of time. So to sum it down, the benefits for businesses are massive. Incredible reach, super efficient targeting, clear return of investment, and genuine customer engagement. It also levels out the playing field, even allowing small businesses to compete globally. Okay, now if you're watching this and thinking, I want to be part of this dynamic and high demand field, or I just want to make my business grow online, then you're in luck. Mastering digital marketing is one of the most valuable skills that you can acquire today. To truly dive deep and gain the practical knowledge, I highly recommend Ajayl's digital marketing certification course. The link is given down in the description. It's a fantastic source to kickstart your career or boost up your business. And before you go, I have a challenge for you. If you want a free digital marketing series right here on our YouTube channel, comment down digital marketing series. Let's see how many of you are interested. Alright, if you learned something from today's video, do like the video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.